Hello, FlutterFlow developers, hello friends, and welcome to APIxFlow YouTube channel. My name is Andrei, and today we will talk about how we can turn this like a basket purchase order into PDF with images, inserting images from some external source like storage or external website server if you store them somewhere. Also, you can use Firestore from Google to send images URLs into PDF. So I use APIxFlow to create my PDF. We will create a new project and we'll name it sales receipt demo, and we will set some part of it very fast. It will be a format of receipt, and we will reduce our margins, so it will be more narrow. And now we have my receipt here. So first of all, what I want to do, I want to send a logo. So we will have a logo at top, and I will use logo as image URL, and I already prepared that logo. I will put it here. So I have my logo, and now I will have also company name. It will be string, and by default it will be APIxFlow incorporated. Next, what I want to do, for example, I want to send date. I want to send date, and I want to send it like this, something like this. Okay, great. So now, for example, we have company. We will put it to center. We will add logo on top of it. Great. Here we have company. We have logo. I will convert this into hidden, so it will have some margins. Okay, and now I will insert date from at that side. And next, what I want to do, I want to show my table of my products, of my items with images. So I need to create new fields in data, a new field in data model. I will call it items, and it will be array of objects. Okay, save. And now we will add the fields of that object. It will be name, string by default, for example, controller basic. It will be price, number 1, 2, 5. Okay, and it will be quantity number 2, and it will be total number 250. And also we want product image, so I will name it image, and I will mark it as image URL. So this is external image we will put into our PDF, and I will copy some image from here. So I will have here some placeholder. Okay, let's say our template, and now I want to insert data into my PDF template. So what will I do? I will insert data table. I will select as data source my items. I will not change names of my columns because I will remove header later. So I want to do something like image, also potentially name, and also I want price, and I want quantity, and I want total. So this is my fields I will use in my table. Let's insert them. Okay, as I mentioned, I will remove this row. Okay, and now we have name, price, and quantity. We want it to be in one cell. So we merge this cell. Now we have our cell here, and we will have total here. And now what we want to do, we want to maybe make this name a little bit bigger font and bold, and increase spacing of that rows of this text. I will select it and increase spacing of that text inside, and maybe quantity we will do a little bit smaller. Okay, and make it like this, and put here quantity label. Okay, and we have total. And let's check how it looks like at the moment, how it will be rendered. And as you can see, it rendered fine. Like maybe we want to have more wider row for these cells, so we can make it a little bit bigger. For example, 20%, 20%, or we can even set in pixels if we want to have fixed size. So as you can see, okay, we just need to stretch this picture a little bit, I suppose, so it will be bigger. Yes, save, preview. It will be bigger, but we need to change it. So I can easily change this image width using this option here, and I will change this to be more wide. Let's check how it looks like. As you can see, now it's normal, now it's okay. So we can manipulate image width, and we can manipulate our table size, and we will have this layout, like we can manipulate any parts of layout. Next step is to connect actually this template with our FlutterFlow application. So let's publish our project. What we need to do is to follow this step-by-step guide that APIxFlow provides to us. As you can see, we need to create a data type to save our result of our generation. So we will copy name of the data type, go to data types into FlutterFlow project, and we'll name it PDF asset. Then we will copy this JSON, put it here, it will be parsed, and we create a data type. Next step is to create actually our item data type. So we will copy name, it will be named items. We will copy content of that data type, we'll paste it here, and it automatically will be parsed. Next, what we need to do, we will generate PDF custom action. So we go to code, add new custom action, and this will be generate PDF custom action. Next, we will copy content of our custom action, paste it here, click save action, and FlutterFlow will create automatically for us all the parameters that is required to call this action and to return result. So we have all parameters, and result is actually PDF asset that we created before. And as you can see, also items here is used as a list. So it automatically adjusted to data types that we use, and inside it already pre-configured to send or acquire data to APIxFlow. So next, what we will do, we have our order page, and what we want to do, we want to form a list of our products to be sent to generation logic in APIxFlow to create this receipt. But here is the main trick that as I do demo, I will create it step by step manually, but usually you will have some storage where you will store your data, so you need to use data from that storage. I will use app state to save my list of products. I will name it products, and just to simplify this demo, I will use items data type, and this is a list. So I will create a list of products, and from here, when I click checkout, I will update app state, add to list. I will create a new object of items, name controller basic, another field is price 125, two controllers, and total is 250. And I will create another one. This will be add to list items. It will be controller pro, price 200 and quantity 1 and total 300. But as you remember, we also want to use images for our project. So I will use these static images that I have inside of my images boxes, but you can map field from your storage, like if you use Firestore or you use some other external storage like AWS or some even file store somewhere. So we have this image field, and I will put image here, and I will use second image. For purpose of test, I set fields to different images, so you will see difference here. So I will create this image field, and I will add this configuration. So now I created this list. When you will create your app, you will actually create items too. You need to put them into app storage, page storage, etc. And then we will send them to custom action in the next step. But in your case, this data can be dynamic. In my case, I put it manually. Into into my state. So here I will use logo. I will copy existing APIxFlow. Sorry, this is logo, and I will put here. Okay, I will have a date. I will use current time, date time format, something like this, for example. Okay, firm. And for items, I will map it to my app state products list without changes. And here I will name it generated recipe. Okay, cool. So I have my PDF generated at this point, and I want to show it in the next page. So I will create another app state variable, and I call it PDF link. It will be string. And now when I generate my PDF, I will set that variable to my link of PDF. So I have generated recipe output data structure field link. As you remember, we created PDF asset data type, and it contains field link, which represent shared link to that PDF. And we have updated link here. And next, what we want to do, we want to navigate to invoice page. Okay, and at invoice page, we will set our PDF viewer to our app state PDF link. So we created template in APIxFlow, we integrated code from here, we set everything inside of FlutterFlow. Let's check how it works. So as you can see, my project is loaded in debug mode, and now when I click checkout, it generates PDF for me and shows my receipt. It contains dynamic images that we sent from FlutterFlow. It contains our logo and more. What is very cool, if I add some content here, for example, I want to put thank you for purchase. I will make it, for example, save it, and now I just call it again from my application. It will contain updated template already. Sorry, I need to publish it, and then I can have it here in my application. So as you can see, APIxFlow provides very flexible way to build very nice looking PDFs. We can put additional formatting here. We can put additional data inside. We can calculate total, for example, and etc. You can check other videos in our channel where we discuss different topics about how to stop PDF, how to stop layouts, how to format data, and etc. etc. If you will have any questions, please let me know. Please ask in the comments to this video. Please ask to the website of APIxFlow. If you have any ideas, right, any suggestions or any requests related to PDF generation or other FlutterFlow related development topics, also I will be very grateful if you will share them with me. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like this video if it's useful for you. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.